Hey guys, so I want to talk about my top five things that I dislike about the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. And this pretty much applies to all Wranglers, not just the Unlimited, but I've been spending a lot of time with this truck and gotten to get a good feel for it. Some things that I really don't care for particularly. Now this is the JK generation. Currently we're with the JL platform, but on the JK there is not a backup camera available. So I'm pointing right here because on the spare tire that is where the new backup cameras are mounted, but this one does not have that available, so that's a bummer. You have decent visibility out of here, but out of the back with that spare tire can make it a little bit difficult. My second thing that I do not really care for are the hard plastics inside in the interior. So all the touch points are hard plastic with the exception of the steering wheel. You do have kind of a decent softer rubber here, and then this is a fully leather wrapped steering wheel, so that is nice. But on the door panels, that's hard plastic. You do have kind of a padded area for your elbow, but you know, this is a Jeep. They're meant to get dirty and be rugged, so it's something you live with. But on this particular generation, don't really love that. The other thing that my number 4 thing that don't really care for, actually it'd be number 3, I'm sorry. On the front windows, those are only automatic down, not automatic up. So don't really love that. That's a minor gripe, but you know, why not go ahead and just make it full automatic up and down. Number 4, I don't really love there's a lot of wind noise that comes in here, and that's because of this deeply raked windshield. I mean, you know, the top does come off. You see those latches in here. So, you know, this isn't obviously the most insulated vehicle, but it's something that you've got to learn to live with. You do get a lot of wind noise, so take some getting used to, but another thing you kind of deal with and take for the love of having a Wrangler. My last 5th favorite thing about the Wrangler is that the hood latches are exposed. This is iconic Jeep, and this is again kind of another gripe, but anyone can simply come up to your Wrangler and open your hood. All it takes is popping that latch down on both sides, and then you've got full access to that. So anyways, you know, that's kind of minor. It is like I said, a legendary characteristic of Jeep, but I believe there are some aftermarket parts that you can do to change that around, but you know, that could be a concern for some, you know, depending on the area that you're in. But anyways, thanks so much. Overall, I still love this vehicle. It's a lot of fun, legendary, and built super well. So thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.